Ulit kanina sa i-reveal, sabi ko bawal, magagalit si Miss P. Sino magre-reveal? Huwag mag-reveal. Huwag na mag-reveal. Ayan tayo eh. Kala ko ba ang level 2 marunong secret? Meron namang ulit kanina i-reveal, sabi ko bawal. Miss Ginkgo Biloba. Sino yon? Si Reveal. Malapit. Next time na natin i-reveal. Kumusta yun? Uy, next time na natin i-reveal. Malapit na yan, guys. Malapit na i-reveal natin. Kaya nga. Kahit naman i-reveal niya, wala naman siyang, alam mo yun, kahit i-reveal pa niya yung secret ko ngayon, wala naman ding, pinag-uusapan lang naman, chika lang yun. As in, hindi pa talaga siya nangyayari. So, nonsense lang din, di ba? Parang kwentuhan lang natin to as parang, alam mo, shinare ko lang sa inyo. Tapos ngayon, hindi kakalat niya. Anong sense? Hindi pa naman nangyayari, di ba? O, di ba? Kumakanta na may bonus pang paper game. Kahit ang Tokyo, Japan na, di ba? Hindi pa yon. Next. Kasi may jowa pa tayo eh. May jowa pa tayo na vlog.
And I swear by the moon and the stars in the skies, I'll be there. And I swear like a shadow that's by your side.
Yan, tingin na kayong dalawa. Yan, ganyan. Yes, tama na, ang landi ni Chris. Eto. Ayoko na.
Kitty mo na, dali!
Ayan, Katie, go out first,
What?
Go
Go out first.
I was happy that she said yes.
Yes na.
Siyempre, chumansing ako, no?
Paano chancing?
Yung...
Natulog.
Ha? Kila Katie. Katie nasa gitna. Kasi kailangan ko gumising na maaga. I have to prep for Katie's trip dito sa J. Casa sa Vineyard. I'm the babysitter today. And it's because Katie's been planning for this for like 2 to 3 months already. So I can't let her down. Papa has to keep his promise. After last night, it was a good day. Okay? It was a good day.
Paano chancing ka?
Chumansing ako, no?
Paano chancing?
Yung... Parang... Pero yung wala na, nakaw na ng kiss ng konti. Pero inaalala ko, ganyan. Nakahaga ako ng konti. So nung nasa taping siya kanina, tumawag siya sa akin. She doesn't usually do this when she's at taping. Nakababad lang siya habang make-upan siya. For me, that's something new. He doesn't really do that. This whole time, hindi niya ginagawa yun. So, I was happy that she said yes. Sobrang sponty naman talaga kami lagi.
Yes na.
Yes na manonood ng sine.
Di pa.
Di pa. Ligaw pa. It was cool because we're just going with the flow. We watched Spider-Man. That's why I'm wearing my Spider-Man shirt today. Ano yan?
Uy, nakakatakot naman siya. May paper bag? Wait! Wait!
No. Ano yan? What is that? Bro, no.
Ano daw? Oh, I'm scared. Oh, I'm scared. Please.
Did you see that?
Oo, hindi ko siya tinanong.
Kuya, nilalapitan niya yung mga kotse. Good night.
Good night.
Miss you.
Uy!
Oh my God, 10 o'clock. I'm tired, guys. Tapos wala pa si Chiki.
Yan. Pag bigla siyang dumating dyan.
Hey! You wanna eat? You wanna eat? What do you want? Send siya ng picture, oh. Cute.
Parang 16 dyan, be. La! Uy!
Why you so cute?
Na! Kaya rin, antay mag-reply. Dali. Jet lag yan. Jet log. Ang reply.
Ayan. Ala. Ito yung funny.
Wala ka.
I'm a frog.
Ah, si Katie.
Yun doon. Okay.
Okay.
Good night.
Good night.
Miss you. Okay.
Bye-bye. Good night. Bye-bye.
Na dati, hindi mo masabi.
I'm Miss B.
You? Ngayon, nasasabi mo na. Na!
Tanggal angas, pare. Hindi ako to, bro.
Matutulog na lang, oh. Kakatawag lang, mag-chat ulit. Love yarn. Love. Pag di niya alam yung re-react niya pag kinikilig siya. Kinikilig ka, paano ako mag-react?
Hindi ako kinikilig.
Bye.
Why am I smiling?